Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming core prerequisites. Be signed into your Apple ID, have iCloud keychain on, and run the latest iOS so home syncs. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to let accessories communicate. Open the Home app and tap the plus icon to add an accessory. Either scan the 8-digit Home Kit code or choose Add Accessory to detect nearby devices. This first step pairs hardware to your home database, so take a moment to position the device near your iPhone for a reliable connection. After pairing, organize purposefully. Put each accessory into a room and, if helpful, group rooms into zones so you can control areas at once. Once grouped, create scenes, like Good Night or Away, to trigger multiple devices with one tap. This simplifies daily routines. Then build automations that run based on time, location, or sensor events. Make sure you designate an Apple TV HomePod or Always at Home iPad as your home hub, so automations and remote access work reliably when you're away. Now finish by testing every scene and automation. Run them manually to confirm devices respond as expected and verify remote access from another network. Invite family members through home settings so they can control shared devices and label accessories clearly. If something fails, first reboot the accessory and your home hub, then confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active. If pairing still fails, remove and re-add the accessory using the Home Kit code. This clears stale links and resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.